Welcome to 1 Minute to Learn. If you're looking for a software to create instructional videos for students, this Minute to Learn video will give you an overview of one option that's currently free for the iPad. Explain Everything is an app that's available for Apple, Android, Windows, and Chrome. Currently, the free version for Apple works great for screencasting in a whiteboard environment. So what can Explain Everything do? Let's talk about 3 things that Explain Everything can do. First of all, Explain Everything gives you this wonderful background that's a whiteboard on which you can write and record yourself talking. So, the first thing that it can do is it can record problem solving. And I'm just going to put PS for problem solving down here. So if you're working on math problems, you can go ahead and solve the problem and have the students watching you solve the problem as you're talking about the reason why you're following each step. You can also use Explain Everything to record annotations and explanations. You can even pull in your PowerPoint slides, PDFs, pictures, anything that you'd like to annotate and explain. And the third way to use Explain Everything is to create instructional content that would stand on its own. So rather than lecture during class, you would record your lecture so that students can watch it before they come into class. So you can either spend your time doing class discussions or a class project, solving problems together. So for example, if this were my class and I were talking about, this comes right from the International Society for Technology and Education, was talking about what we want students to do, then I could go ahead and create maybe this little lecture that talks about how the fourth part of ISTE is to create students who are critical thinkers, problem solvers, and decision makers. And then we would talk about what that would look like. And I would just continue to lecture just like I would in class, and I can add additional information by annotating the slide and continue to talk to the student as if I were there. So if you have an iPad and a stylus, I strongly recommend that you download the software. You can give me a call or email me and let me know that you'd like to kind of look at the toolbar with me to make it a little bit easier for you for the first time. And then in just minutes, you'll be getting started recording your own content for students. The content that you can create can be downloaded into a video format, and the most easy way to disseminate that is to upload that to YouTube and send it out as a link, which is how this has been shared today. Thanks for joining us today. Hope that we'll be hearing from you. If you have an Android or you want to add the Chrome extension, there is a cost for those, but go ahead and take a look at them, download them, see if you love them. Have a great day.